everyone. Today we will be discussing the assigned scenario that has been given to us, which is the gymnastics forward roll technique. So before we dive into the scenario assigned or the description. Basically, gymnastics focuses on flexibility, obviously coordination and strength. So the forward roll is only the basic skill in the gymnastic, but it also has an important role in doing gymnastics because it really needs proper body alignment and safety measures in doing forward roll technique. So let's move on to the assigned scenario.
So for the assigned scenario, gymnastics forward roll techniques. For the lesson context, the PE teacher introduces the basic gymnastic skills, starting with the forward roll. So for the ILO, at the end of the lesson, the student should be able to demonstrate a proper forward roll with correct body alignment and identify key safety measures. For the activities or the PLA, the teacher performs a demonstration, which is the body roll, and the forward roll, and then the students take turns applying the forward roll on mats, and then the last one is the teacher provides a corrections when mistakes are observed. For the assessment consists of checklists where students are scored and whether they can perform the role.
So, for misalignment analysis and proper solutions, we have here the intended learning outcomes or the ILOs, which is demonstrate a proper forward roll with correct body alignment and identify basic safety measures. So the misalignment on this ILOs is the lesson requires students to demonstrate correct body alignment and safety measures, but these are not clearly taught before practice. So the proposed solution is add step-by-step body practice where the teacher breaks down proper body posture and safety rules before students attempt the role. And for its justification, ensure students fully understand the correct technique and safety before performing the skill to prevent injuries.
So next is teaching and learning activities. So the component of this one is that the teachers perform a demonstration. Second is the students take turns attempting the forward roll on mats. And lastly is the teachers provide correction when mistakes are observed. So the misalignment on this activity is activities focused on practice but lack of structured feedback before assessment, making it harder for students to correct mistakes. So our proposed solution in this activity is introduce first self-checks where students observe each other and use a simple guide to assess alignment and safety before teaching correction. So our justification is encourages active learning and reflection, allowing students to correct mistakes before being formally assessed.
And for the assessment methods, the assessment consists of a checklist where students are scored on whether they can perform the role. So for the misalignment, the checklist only checks if the role is completed, but does not evaluate the body alignment or safety measures which are part of the ILOs. So the intended learning outcomes is to demonstrate a forward roll with a correct body alignment and identify the key safety measures. So it doesn't align with the said activities, so that is the misalignment. And for the proposed solution, modify the checklist to include proper alignment, example, top chin, rounded back, and for the safety, example is checking surroundings, and controlled landing. And for the justification, ensures that students are graded on correct technique and safety, reinforcing proper execution rather than just completion.
Key takes away lessons should match learning goals. Students need to learn correct body alignment and safety. So activities and assessment should focus on this skill. So lessons should match learning goals. So we should prioritize this skill to prevent injuries and enhance performance for performing a forward roll. And step-by-step practice improves learning, breaking down the roll into smaller steps before full execution helps students understand and perform correctly. To simplify the process, this step is easier to embrace than the whole movement, and also to build our confidence. So, feedback before assessment is important. Clear self-check allows students to correct mistakes early, making them more prepared and confident. Identify errors only so that they can spot the mistake before they become habits and improve technique. Feedback from peers or themselves to help refine our skills.
And fourth key takeaway is that assessments should check proper technique, not just completion. So a checklist that includes alignment and safety ensures students are graded on the right skills. So basically, it is said a while ago on the assessment methods it is said or it is been analyzed that it has been misaligned. So it is not enough for students to just complete forward rules. So the students should also check if they follow proper alignment of their body and also the safety measures that they're doing during the forward roll. Dili kay basta-basta na kaya sa imo as a teacher nga makita nimo roll ra na imong pandira kanang imong kuan nga wala nila nakuha ang right skills nga dapat nila ma-attain on that specific skill. And then, how constructive alignment helps? When learning goals, activities, and assessments are properly connected, students know what to learn, how to practice, and what will be assessed, leading to better skill development and safer learning experiences. So, it is really efficient and significant that the learning goals, activities, and assessment are properly aligned. So that three must be or should be connected to each other so that your objectives down to your assessment, you can really get what you want on your lesson design, on what you do or what you teach to your students, specifically skill demonstration or mga proper alignment of the body and also the safety measures on doing the execution on the proper skill, specifically in gymnastics or the forward roll technique. So by applying these key takeaways, we teachers can help students improve their performance, and also we can also help them to gain more knowledge and learning for them to keep them in line on what they are going to learn or to gain on a specific topic or skill that they will be demonstrating or executing. So that's all for the gymnastics forward roll technique. Thank you.